Yeah, what up? It's the homie. I'm dimming the lights on the late night tip. Feeding the scraps to the dingo dog. Yeah. Retaliation is a must. So here's a gust of the LA breeze through the wilder mob trees, 80 degrees. It's hot talk, then the sauna. Time to take a dive and jive in the swamp like a piranha. And say what up to the homie. Gator Blade. The what? True doggy dingo biscuits on the hoe. Late night scraps, nothing but snacks. It's a buzzard culture. Yeah, I'm the late night desert vulture. Bongo jams, Congo River Rapids going hams. Snakey in the kitchen going bakey. Slip slurping, slabberpuss. Jabba the Hutt listening on a rock. In some of the tip, get a grip of this tumbleweed. Bumblebees. Yeah, anyways, we kicking it desert right now. We're getting ready for the Cook for Crows tour 2011 tomorrow. Say what up. He's pawing for a little vacation. Peace out.